What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I want to start it off first with the Discover Samsung Spring Sale. There is a huge sale going over at Samsung right now with their spring sale. I have it linked down below. It'll bring you directly to it, and it supports my site if you go and shop through there. But regardless, there's some crazy deals going on for their phones, their Flip 6, Fold 6, their Galaxy S phones, monitors, computers, appliances, vacuums, all kinds of deals going on. Check out the link down below. It's in the pinned comment, and the description of the video will bring you directly to this sale. Like I said, it supports what I do. So let's jump into it. First of all, do we have the beta for this baby boy? No, we don't. There's been another update that's been pushed out already for this, because today Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 are supposed to get the One UI 7 beta officially from Samsung. No, it's the early date hours here on the West Coast for the beta, so it's not end of day yet. But there is like a 6.1.1 update that's been pushed out, so you can check for that. I don't have that one yet either, but basically you need the Samsung Members app. So go into the Samsung Members app and scroll towards the top. Make sure all your apps are updated in Google Play Store and in the Galaxy Store. And then again, open up your Samsung Members app, scroll towards the top, see if you see anything about the beta. Once it does come out, I will do a video showing you how to download it and all that. I've done that in the past, but I'll do it again with the Z Fold 6. But yeah, as of right now, nothing new on that front. Speaking of folding phones from Samsung, the tri-folding phone looks like it's going to be, just as I thought, very, very limited. The latest information about this is that it could be so limited that it might not even reach a lot of the places. It might be as limited as the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Might be limited basically to South Korea and potentially China only, maybe some other countries as well. But I kind of had this thought for a while that this tri-folding phone is going to be probably super limited, and I don't think it's going to be pushed to the Western world yet. We don't have a tri-folding phone, so it's not like they have all this competition to catch up to. In China, there's already tri-folding phones. So yeah, I hope it still comes out, because there's a device I'm super interested in. But at the same time, if I have to spend $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 just to import it, I'll probably be hands off on it at that point. That's a very, very expensive deal to go through. But very, I don't know what else to say, except I have a feeling it's not going to probably come out in most of the Western world. Apple's folding phone, their folding phone competitor to the Galaxy Z Fold phones, what is it going to cost? Well, it's actually a lot less than I actually thought, even though it's still very expensive. The latest information about that is that Apple is targeting a price between $2,000 and $2,500 for their foldable phone, putting it well above competing foldables like the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Honor Magic, and the Oppo Find N5, which is true and not true, because you can get a Galaxy Z Fold phone for like over $2,000 after taxes, so it's not that out of the realm. Apple generally, especially when it's a new product category, generally, sometimes, prices their stuff higher than their competitors. So I would guess if it's going to be, I would be thinking it's probably going to be closer to $2,500 than $2,000. And they're still going to sell a boatload of these things. These are going to be, I've said it before, this is going to push the folding phone market to the next level. It's good for everyone. Samsung, Google, the Chinese versions of these phones, for everybody, because Apple is such a mammoth in the mobile space, and this is definitely going to help them out. Again, guys, check out that sale going on with Samsung. It's linked down below. And then also, as the beta comes out, I'll probably push out another video just to let you guys know that it is out. So if you get bombarded with another video from me, that is why. But I'll keep my eyes peeled. I keep checking every so often about that update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.